On my way to work, I check myself. What up, guys? On my way to work, and I'm kind of late, a little bit. Come on, man, hurry up! 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 I'm always late. Not really late, more like a minute late. Just enough not to get fired. Oh man. Hooters, baby. Yeah, boy. You know I'll be over there all the time. Not really. I ain't got money like that. Damn, I hate this light. Always takes all day. Freaking hurry up. Every night, day. I look back to I wanna start every other day. I think that I just can't get enough. I just can't get enough. So we in the kitchen with DJ, Chef. I should have to Chef DJ.
Chef boyardj it up. Crab cheese out, feel me? You know what I'm saying? Put it on cheeseburgers. Gotta get the Gotta get the ketchup though. I'm not gonna show you the other side because there's no name brand, but it's alright though. Feel me though?
Look at that! Yeah, that looks delicious, son.
What else?
That looks absolutely delicious. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So what's the process? Tell me. Let them know. No process.
Just slap the fucking ground beef on there. That's it. Cook it.
Show that nigga the onions, yo.
The onion. Oh,
the
you gotta have some onions with that.
Gotta have the onions with it. The good onions.
Put that on top.
Pepper, you know what I'm saying?
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. That's how you do it.
Then you add a little bit of water in there to.
Look at that.
Bomb. That's it.
Bomb.
That's all you do.
That's
all
it.
you do.
That's
all
it.
you do. You know what I'm saying?
So how long you been cooking, sir?
I've been cooking forever, man. So good.
That looks absolutely delicious.
There you go. Look at that. Onions, baby.
Onions, bitch.
Flip this one over real quick. Bam. Look at that. See how perfect that shit look? You know what I'm saying?
You got the butter. You know, black people. You know
what I'm saying? A little bit of salt like that. A little bit of pepper.
Some pepper.
That's all you need.
That's all you need, son.
Put everything back.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
That looks delicious.
Onions up, you know.
There it is.
There it is.
Drink looks good, son. That's it.
You want ketchup?
Yes, sir.
Some ketchup on that joint?
That's it. Just a little bit. Look at that. You got two?
Yep. I gotta get two. I'm a big dude. Big boys need big food.
Yeah, that was funny.
Right?
Look at that. That looks delicious. You got the onions. We got the ketchup.
That's more?
He got more. He got
like mayonnaise?
not really.
All right. Well, I do.
Mayonnaise.
Throw the mayonnaise on there. Like that.
That's what's up.
See that cheese on there? Yeah.
He's on your taste. And that's how you do it, son. That's how you make your cheeseburger. That's it. That's it.
Plain and simple.
Plain and simple.
You gotta clean up after yourself, though. So
yeah, true that.
I gotta get to the sink.
Got you. And make sure you wash your hands. Like mommy always say. What are you guys doing?
Oh shit. You stupid.
What are you doing?
Doing outdoor.
For what?
For Christmas.
For Christmas?
No, for Christmas. It's called Christmas.
Look nice.
Remember to always get waterproof wrapping paper. If you don't get waterproof wrapping paper, it wrinkles, and when it rains and it starts to snow, your wrapping paper gets wrinkled and it gets wet, and it doesn't.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta get waterproof. It won't mess up. It stays on for weeks at a time.
Okay.
And we had experienced this over a period of time because we decorate our door every year.
Okay. Any
Now,
advice,
a little bit more.
Chef Boy or DJ?
Y'all just make sure you cut this shit straight. That's about it.
You want to go a little bit more up.
So he cutting it so he can
hold it.
You want to close the door while we're doing this?
No.
Oh man, that's straight. Look, cut her fingers off. Look at that. He almost got a finger off.
You went up, actually. This is not even. Okay, but that's not even.
And of course, you know, girls, they gotta be bossy.
Hold on, we're gonna argue. I just want to let you know that because I already know where the argument part is gonna be. Because I'm gonna tell him.
Here, come take. Oh, go get the tape.
What's the tape?
In the bag.
That's how you do it, son. Don't forget to make your door look nice. Put the light, the tree, everything. What's the tape?
In the bag.
That's how you do it, son. Don't forget to make your door look nice. Put the light, the tree, everything. And you know, if you want to get me something for Christmas, you know, just write me in the comment. I'm kidding, of course. The hell's up?
Hi.
What's up?
Hi.
You know you're doing the door.
Like always. This is their first time seeing our door. We do it every year.
Are you wrapping it?
Yeah, we do it every year. Yeah.
Is it good?
No, actually, no.
What you need
I need
more
some.
lizard?
I need more space
Where? From?
on the top.